Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. A planet so massive, it contains more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. But did you know Jupiter has some of the most bizarre and mind-blowing features in our cosmic neighborhood? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the most astonishing facts about Jupiter. Jupiter is the king of planets. It's 318 times heavier than Earth and 11 times wider. If Jupiter were a hollow shell, you could fit 1,321 Earths inside. And yet, despite its enormous size, Jupiter spins faster than any other planet, completing a full rotation in just 9.9 hours. Imagine if Earth had days that short. You'd barely have time for breakfast before it's nighttime again. That giant red eye on Jupiter? It's a storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. The Great Red Spot is so massive, it's currently about 1.3 times the size of Earth. And its winds can reach speeds of 430 to 680 kilometers per hour, 270 to 425 miles per hour. That's stronger than the most powerful hurricanes on Earth. And the craziest part, it's been shrinking over the years, and scientists don't know if or when it will disappear completely. Earth has one moon, but Jupiter? It has at least 95 known moons and counting. Some of them are truly special. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. Europa has an ocean beneath its icy crust that may harbor alien life. And Io? It's the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with hundreds of active volcanoes erupting all the time. Scientists believe Io's volcanic activity is caused by Jupiter's immense gravitational pull stretching and squeezing the moon like a stress ball. Jupiter isn't just a giant gas ball, it's also a cosmic shield. Its immense gravity influences countless asteroids and comets, some of which could otherwise threaten Earth. In 1994, Jupiter took a hit for us when the massive Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet crashed into it, creating explosions bigger than Earth itself. Scientists believe Jupiter's gravitational influence has reduced the number of catastrophic impacts on Earth over time. Thinking of visiting Jupiter? Think again. Jupiter has no solid surface, it's a gas giant, and its atmosphere is made of hydrogen and helium with clouds of ammonia. If you tried to land, you'd be crushed by its immense pressure, which can be millions of times stronger than Earth's. Plus, Jupiter's radiation levels are so extreme, they would fry electronics in hours. If Jupiter had a warning sign, it would say, "No visitors allowed." Saturn isn't the only planet with rings. Jupiter has faint, dusty rings, first discovered by the Voyager spacecraft in 1979. They aren't as spectacular as Saturn's, but they add to the planet's mysterious beauty. Scientists believe these rings were formed by dust from its moons colliding over time. Lightning on Jupiter is 10 times more powerful than the strongest lightning bolts on Earth. The Juno spacecraft discovered that these bolts occur mostly near Jupiter's poles, unlike on Earth, where they happen near the equator. Imagine a thunderstorm so powerful it could fry an entire city in seconds. In many ways, Jupiter is like its own mini solar system. It has such strong gravity that some of its moons behave like planets, orbiting in a complex dance. Scientists believe that if Jupiter had been about 80 times more massive, it might have ignited nuclear fusion and become a star. Imagine a solar system with two suns. Our sky would look completely different. Jupiter is like a giant cosmic heater. Despite being 5 times farther from the sun than Earth, Jupiter actually radiates more heat than it receives. This is because of leftover heat from its formation and the constant gravitational compression inside it. It's like Jupiter has its own internal furnace. Jupiter has the most powerful magnetic field of any planet in the solar system. It's about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This powerful field creates massive auroras at Jupiter's poles, similar to the northern lights on Earth, but way bigger and brighter. If we had auroras like Jupiter's, they'd be visible all over the planet, not just near the poles. Jupiter is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the same ingredients as the Sun. If it had been about 80 times more massive, it could have ignited into a star. Imagine living in a solar system with two suns, like in Star Wars Tatooine. But luckily for us, Jupiter remained a planet, making life on Earth possible. Jupiter is truly one of the most fascinating and mysterious worlds in our solar system. From its raging storms to its protective role, it's a planet like no other. What fact about Jupiter blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing space videos.